learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today we're going to continue on the subject of can't find something, okay? 那如果说是在家里要这个小朋友、学生要出门了嘛，要上课了，有时候还得找东找西，对呀，父母可能说快一点啊，上课要迟到了，
还不赶快。
Let's say students at home, they have to go to class and they're looking for something and the parent or their siblings might say, come on, hurry, we're going to be late for classes. And what exactly can he or she find? Well, let's put you in a scenario, okay? 那找不到，先教大家怎么说呢？
请唔到，
请唔到 that means can't find something. Okay, 上课要迟到咯 We're going to be late for class.
上課會父唔猜哦。
上課會父唔猜的哦。父母差就是來不及了，是不是？
對啊，就會遲到了。
Okay, 父母差 very, very, very handy phrase. 遲到了。
對，或者是父母到。
父母到就是趕不到的意思嗎？
對，來不及了。
來不及。
我常會說小孩子上課會父母猜哦。
我在這邊先要跟 Alice 抱歉，我常常父母差。Sorry, but that means late, okay? You're gonna be late for school. Hurry up. Well, I can't find my lunchbox, okay? 我找不到便當袋。
愛請唔到，偏動推耶，或者
就是便當袋嘛，
翻掉推耶，
翻掉推耶，翻掉就是飯袋了，
對
Okay, that means a 便當 a lunchbox that I can't find, right? Okay, 那就像說有的時候我們找不到是遠在天邊近在眼前呢，可能就在前面的櫃子，好，鞋櫃上就看到了，
還是找不到。
It's right there on top of the shoe cabinet. Come on, all right? 放在鞋櫃上啊。
不用滴海開耶檔啊。
不用滴海開耶檔啊。
海開耶就是鞋櫃。
海開耶這個鞋，然後櫃嘛，海開耶檔是上面嘛，對不對 ？Okay, 海開耶 that means a shoe cabinet and 檔 means on top of it. Okay, that's what it is.
海就是鞋子。
海 that means shoes. That's good. 好 let's review some of these phrases such as late 遲到了，
父母菜，或者父母到
okay, two ways very similar of saying gonna be late. And then your lunchbox 便當袋
偏動推耶，或者是翻掉推耶
or 翻掉推耶 two ways of saying lunchbox. It's all about can't finding something 找不到
請唔到
All right, don't be late and get all your things ready, okay? That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.